Tokki Engineering and Fabrication is a pioneer fabricator with exotic special materials such as nickel-based alloy, titanium, super duplex, copper alloy, and the like. We aspire to be a solution provider that minimizes maintenance costs in the process industries such as oil and gas, petrochemical, pharmaceutical, steel, and copper mining. We provide total support for corrosion challenges in the process industry, from selecting the optimal materials and cost-effective designs to high-quality fabrication and maintenance. So we ensure the reliability of the process equipment, including pressure vessels and piping.
We choose Konecranes because your company reputation. Additionally, factors like pricing and sales response play a significant role in our decision. The installation process went very challenging. There were time constraints due to difficulties in importing. But your team, especially production team, has a strong commitment to finish it on time. So your team met our expectation during this phase. Since we installed the crane in our new factory, we feel the crane has significantly improved our operation by reducing manual labor and enabling us to handle heavier load. It has been a valuable addition to our workflow. There are some standout features that we find very valuable. For example, there is a dual-speed mechanism which has an impact on safety in use, smooth operation, easy-to-use control. This has made a significant impact on our daily operation. Employees have also expressed greater satisfaction as the equipment has made their tasks easier, less physically demanding, or more efficient. This has contributed to a safer and more comfortable work environment, improving morale and productivity across the team. This feature has significantly improved our operation and met our expectation in terms of performance. We will recommend this product to others because this crane has proven to be reliable, efficient, and easy to operate. In addition, your excellent support from installation to ongoing process has strengthened our confidence in your product and company.